$7,146 in affiliate commissions, pretty much passive income, was generated in just 1 week. But I want to focus on one person who made $557 and he has got 189 people paying him $6.23 each. And the good news is, any beginner can do it without technical knowledge, without experience, without a website hosting server, mailing list, or even social media following. Sounds good? And anyone from anywhere in the world can make money like this. You see, all these people are doing it. We have been doing it. Thousands of other people are doing it, and you can do it too. If you have low income, poor credit score, but high debt, and prices, costs, rents, mortgages are going high, then the question is, why is this happening to you? And why are these people making money? The answer is, you might have limited number of people paying you money, but they have a lot of people paying them money. For example, this person has got 189 people paying him $6.23 each. And these $557 commissions were made using 15 to 30 minutes of his time. And again, you can do it too. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to reach 100 million people in next 10 years and help them learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and social media contacts. Chat groups, emails, everyone you know. They will love you for sharing this information, this education. Just like you, they will also get our premium softwares free. Links are in the description. And eventually, they will become your followers and your customers. Sounds good? Hit the like button and share this video with everyone. Making money online is super easy when you answer people's questions. So for an example, everybody knows that in order to sell something online and make money, you need an online store. But online stores are technical stuff and they're expensive. So people come to YouTube, try to learn how to build online stores and how to make money with online stores. So you see 1.13 million people search about online store on YouTube every single month. So what this person did, this person basically made simple videos using some software like my software Epic. Link in the description, you can grab Epic for free. Epic allows you to make videos without using camera, without microphone, and without writing script. Everything is done by Epic using artificial intelligence. Then go ahead and learn about online stores on YouTube and publish short videos, 1 minute long short videos called shorts. Look at the results of shorts, okay? If you can't see it, you can search on your phone using how to online store and you will see videos with thousands of views. 3.5 thousand views, 3.6 thousand views, 13,000 views, 64,000 views. All these views are the people who are looking for answers on how to make online stores and a lot other stuff related to online stores. Now, why am I telling you about short videos? Because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is promoting it hard to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So everyone who is publishing shorts getting thousands of views from YouTube, 100% free. But making videos is a challenge and that's why we made Epic. Go grab Epic from the link in the description and start making short videos or any kind of videos and get all these visitors to click on your affiliate links. Affiliate links? Yes. We have the best of the best online store builder solution, which is called Grants. Go to warriorplus.com, create a free account, then go to the affiliate section, click on the offer section, and then search with the keyword grants, Grandz. Apply using the request button here. Introduce yourself. Tell us who you are. You watched our video and you want to promote grants. We will approve you and you will get your affiliate link there. Now, whenever you publish a video on YouTube, put your affiliate link in the description and in the first comment. And inside your video, ask your visitors to click the links in the description and in the first comment. They will visit this page and they will find that Grants is the solution, the cheapest and the best compared to Shopify and other solutions. And they will buy from you and you will make money. Now, how many videos can you make? Go to Uber Suggest, go to the keyword section and keyword ideas. Use online store and click search and you will find all these keywords people are using to search on Google. These are the thousands of searches for these keywords every single month. Make simple 1-minute short videos based on these keywords. Don't worry, all this information are already available online for free. And put them into Epic software. The AI will generate videos for you. When you publish, YouTube will send you visitors or viewers. They will love your information and they will pay you $6, $7 each. Imagine a video with 3.5 thousand views. That would make you more than $20,000. Super cool? That's it. Pretty simple. I will leave the links to all my softwares including Grants and Epic. Epic is free, by the way. Go ahead, grab it and use it and start making money. Super simple. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text to audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We opened up secret information in front of you so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we need your help reach more people and show them how to make money online. For that, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know you as the most important viewer and will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.